So kids, let's sing a hen and chick song. Mommy hen wakes with morning light. Two little chicks, a joyful sight. Let's start the day with cheer and play. We've got a lot to do today. Into the garden they skip and hop, searching for veggies they pluck and chop. Carrots, spinach, beans so green, the freshest farm food ever seen. The chicks hold baskets big and wide. Mommy hen walks right by their side. They gather peas and bright red beets, laughing loud with happy tweets. Let's wash the veggies nice and clean, make them shine and make them gleam. They rinse with water, splash and play, washing dirt and bugs away. Mommy hen wears her apron neat, steps in the kitchen, light on her feet. She chops the carrots, peels the peas, her cooking fills the air with breeze. The chicks peek in and sniff the smell. What's for lunch? They start to yell. Mommy smiles and stirs the pot. It's veggie curry, nice and hot. She flips the rotis round and thin, cooking lunch with love and grin. Golden brown with butter shine, ready for the chicks to dine. They set the table, napkins too, plates of curry warm and new. Mommy hen and chicks sit tight, eating lunch with pure delight. Yum, says one, delish, says two. They clean their plates, not one they threw. Mommy laugh, you've eaten well. Now let's have a tasty spell. Out comes ice cream, cold and sweet, with strawberry swirls, a perfect treat. They lick and giggle, creamy lips, dripping cones and happy sips. Now it's time to rest and chill. They sit on cushions, calm and still. TV on, a cartoon plays. They watch and laugh the afternoon away. One chick yawns, the other blinks. Mommy, we're tired, one softly thinks. Mommy nods, let's nap a bit on cozy pillows where we sit. As they nap, the birds do sing. Sunlight glows on everything. A peaceful farm, a loving crew. Mommy hen and chicks so true. Evening falls with sky so wide, stars above, the moon as guide. They cuddle close, all safe and warm, together strong through every storm. A day of love, of food and play, of helping, learning, laughing away. Mommy hen with chicks so bright, they end the day with sweet delight. I hope you like the video, see you soon, bye.